Hello everyone, good day. In today's video, I'll show you an amazing AI website, AI based application. It's called Napkin.ai. Currently, it is on beta mode. You can see if you go to Napkin.ai, you can land on this page. What is this? This is basically a great way to engage your people with your content. Like, say, if you want to create some infographics, or if you want to create or make a presentation, or if you want to create or make a, what I can say, a blog post which may contain some infographics or image, text based image. So this website can help you with that. Okay, you can see what is the title here. It's called Get Visuals from Your Text. So what it will do, you will give your text there, and by providing the text here, it will create you stunningly visually attractive visuals, infographics or presentations from that. Okay, so I can see what you can do. Basically, you can paste your text from anywhere, from Notion, Google Sheets, Word, presentation, etc. And then what you will do, you will click to generate the visuals, and after that you can polish this as your own likings, and you can do what you can do, you can export the as PNG, PDF, SVG, etc. Okay, so you know the use cases already. You can use it in presentation, you can use it in blog, you can use it in social media infographics, and to create attractive documents. Okay, so let's see it in action. But before that, I will show you the pricing here. You can see for starter plan, it's currently is free, and it will be always free. You can create it up to 3 napkins here. Our project, as of now, the professional plan is also free up to beta, during beta period. Okay, and the enterprise plan is coming soon, so you can explore this if these tools needed for you. Okay, so let's see it in action. I have already logged in with my account. You can see this is the blank page. Welcome to Napkin. Create my first napkin here. Okay, so you can see there is two options. How would you like to add text? You can paste your own text, or you can generate by text by using AI. So I will create my own text here. I have created a outline here for a blog post. Let's copy this one, and I will paste it here. See, this is you can see this is my post. It's the components of an e-commerce. Let's copy the title. No, title is not available here. Let's type it out. So I will select this first section. I will see how it should work. You can see this is my first section, and I will click on here, generate visuals. It will create a area here, and it will generate the visuals here. Okay, so you can see a very stunning visual is already available here. E-commerce front end structure, you can see user account management, checkout process, shopping cart, product pages, and product catalog. Also it's show the description also here. You can see by selecting this text, I can easily create a stunning visuals here. Okay, so there are many customization. You can see, you can choose this one, you can choose this one, you can choose this one, as you like. Okay, so there are many options which you want. You can use that one. Okay, I think this one is better suited here. Okay, so this is done here, and what you can do, you can do little bit of tweaking from here. You can, if you want to change the text, change the colors, you can do that. Okay, you can add comments here. Okay, now I will create my next visuals from this. Let's select this text. So this is my text, and I will create this icon. It's analyzing the text here. See, my visual is prepared. I will choose which one of I like. I see. Let's say choose a easier one. I think this is good. It generated icon depends on the my depends on my text. Okay. La, sorry, it's just vanished. Let's generate it again. So let's go with this one. I think this one is good with little bit of tweaking. I think this is good. Okay. So after that, what you can do, you can just share it, uh, or you can download the PDF, or you can copy the link here for sharing. Okay. Also, if the image of your liking, you just what you can do, you can export this image also. Okay. You see, a stunningly visually appealing image is prepared. Okay. So I think if you are a blogger or social media content manager, or you have to prepare many presentations day by day, I think these tools can be very much helpful to you. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one.